Take a ride in the 2018 Nissan 370Z Coupe. Power, braking, and overall handling are all features you want in a sports car, and the Nissan 370Z Coupe has them all. The 370Z Coupe provides that driving experience that simply feels so good. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, climate control. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.